some of this caviar. Yeah, double helping. And peasant. Ooh, no, pheasant under glass. And patted of false grass. And asparagus. And wild strawberries. And 2 bottles of your best champagne.
Tell me, my dear, do you eat as well as this at home?
Oh, no. But no one there don't want to sleep with me, do they?
Yes, it's the Benny Hill Show!
And you know, this here is the actual blowpipe that the abos, or rather, I should call them aborigines, use when they're out killing the kangaroos. They actually use that blowpipe, and, well, they don't anymore, and that's years ago, but now they pursue much more, what I call it, peaceful pastimes, and they make these absolutely splendid didgeridoos. And if you've never heard a didgeridoo, it's really right out of this world. It's got a sound, all of its sound. I'll give you a rough idea of what it sounds like. It sounds like this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I say, Mark, that dark's poisonous.
Oh, Lord. Who's going to suck the poison out?
Me! Laurie, you won't believe it. Miriam and I have got a son, a little boy. Would you believe it? After 6 daughters, a son, a little boy. Oy.
Does he look like you or Miriam?
I don't know, we haven't looked at his face yet. You know, one of the most beautiful things, one of the beautiful sights that you find anywhere in the world is the sunset out in the outback. It really is one of the most beautiful things you've ever seen. And now, with the aid of the younger generation, I'd like to give you a rough idea of what it looks like. It really is absolutely beautiful, because up here you have that great big yellow ball there, that great ball of fire up there. It's blazing away throughout the day. It's blazing away, and that, of course, is the sun, and it casts a big black shadow, this great deep black shadow all the way.
I'll tell you, I'm going to complain to everybody about this.
Cool! Just in time for match of the day. Hello, love.
They gave out the results at 6 o'clock.
Well, don't tell me, darling. Don't tell me.
Yeah, but I know the result.
I don't care, darling. I don't want to hear it. Don't tell me, love.
But I know the result.
Please, darling, please don't tell me the result, darling.
All right. If you want to watch it, you sit and watch it. But you won't see any goals.